Cei Connah i'r Bala, Nathan Burke. Mewn a hyd gat y postyn pella, Bras yn dod yn dyrnu. Mae disgyn Spittle! A mae drwy Bala ar y blaen. Yn ebyn i gyn glwb. 5 munud ar y cloc. Beir ar y ddiar o Lewis Bras yn ei wneud. Ond Spittle yr ymateb yn gynt na neb. Mendes. Dan bwysig gan dŵl a Danny Holmes. Ceisiwm ti Bay Holmes, mae hi Bay Holmes, groesiad ddifn. Teg at Leslie ar y postyn agosa. Ei beniad yn fflachio heibio y postyn. Andy Morrison yn mynd hapus. Holmes i fyny teg at Mike Wilde. Mae'n disgyn teg at Declan Poole. Poole ar y cyfle. Arbediad wych gan Tibbet. Ond efallai, o gyn Declan Poole fwy amser nag oedd y feddwl. Awdd i'r golwr yn y diwedd. Burke. Bas da i mewn i Robles. Mae'n thynnu nôl i Leslie. Cyfle arall i Leslie. A Toma mae'n fflachio dros y trawst. O dio methu coelio'r peth. Cyfle iddo bydd y mantais. Colin Kitten yn gwthio ei dîm ymlaen. Mendes mynd yna adennill y meddiant o'r eilydd Chris Owens yn y cwrt Cosby. Mae'n thynnu nôl i Venables. A Toma Bras oedd yn nadu y Bala. Chwarae da gan Mendes. Ar ergyd gan Venables. Danny Holmes ar dafliad i mewn i ganol y clwstwr y chwaraewyr. A mae'n disgyn i'r eilydd Becare! Wedi dod â Cei Connah yn gyfartal. Chweched gol o'r tymor i'r asgellwr. A'n afatab yn gynt na'r amddiffynwyr. James Owen dan bwysa. Burns i lawr i Lasana Mendes. Mae'n cyfuno dda. A Venables ar Bras ar arbediad. Cyfle arall yn cael ei wastraffu gan y Bala. Fyny teg at Michael Wilde brwydro gyda Spittle. Ergyd gan Declan Poole. Mae'n disgyn nôl i Poole. Mae'n chodi nôl i fyny teg at Becare. A mae drwy Cei Connah ar y blaen. Michael Becare, 2 gol i fewn 8 munud. Wedi troi y gêm ar ei phen. Cei Connah 2, Bala 1. Leslie ar gigrydd teg at Mendes ar beniad. Arbediad gan Bras, mae'n rhydd ar y cwrs Cosby, Spittle. A Bras yn dalia fel ar bel a Colin Kitten yn crefu ben. Ddim yn coelio fod hwnna hefyd bynd iawn. Mesau teg at y chwiban ola. Smith camu ar draws Insel. Yn y leidd efo frasgamu ymlaen. Teg at y cwrt Cosby. Groesiad teg at Mike Hayes ar cyfle. Unwaith eto yn gwastraffu. Cyfle uraidd. Y Tomaid a Bala yn gyfartal.
Listen, I said to the boys at half-time, the only thing I can take out of the first 45 is that we're only 1-0 down. You know, we could be 3 or 4 down. Our shape's all wrong. We got, you know, a couple of players that just really aren't at it. And we've got a very vibrant, bright and lively, considering they played Tuesday, Bala town. So, you know, the bonus is we're not getting battered at half-time, you know, because then it's trying to just stay in the game and show some pride. But we were in it, and, you know, the positive for me is we've won the second half. And, you know, Michael should start the game. But, you know, that's something between me and Michael. Do you know, I've got incredibly high standards, and I won't accept people picking and choosing when they want to turn up. And, you know, Michael's come out because of his form, and, you know, he's shown the perfect reaction tonight and shown why, you know, he's the Welsh Premier League player of the season, you know. And, you know, that performance that we saw in the second half is what I expect from him every week. I don't expect it to drop any lower than that. The goals are a bonus, but, you know, there's other sides to the game which are hugely important to an Andy Morrison team. And if they're not being done, you won't play.
Yeah, absolutely disappointed. You know, how we haven't come away with something from the game is beyond me, but that's what Connah's key do. You know, they've hanged on in there. The second goal was always going to be crucial in the game, and they got it, and then it gave them a lift, and we panicked a little bit. But you know, it's one of the best performances that we've ever had here, and caused them lots and lots of problems. But if you don't take your chances, it comes to haunt you, and you know, we've paid for it in the end.
Oedd yn gêm o 2 hanner, really. Oedd ddim yn ati yn y first half. I think oedd fewn hanner amser, a ni gyd siarad fi gilydd, few choice words. Manager ddod fewn, Deithon ni byddwn ni'n gorau gwneud ail hanner lot o well. A just chwarae mwy fatha ni. Dwi'n meddwl oedden ni'n chwarae fatha da ni yn y hanner gyntaf, ond daethon ni allan ail hanner a dwi'n meddwl naethon ni'n gwneud bob dim yn iawn a 2 gol lyflu fyd.
It's about us, getting a European place. If TNS don't win the league by 20 points, there's something fundamentally wrong in their football club. That's how far ahead they should be of everybody else in this league. So, I don't give a hoot what they do. It's about Connah's Cei. Keep pushing, keep trying to improve year on year. We've had a cutback in the budget in the summer. We lost 6 or 7 players. Our remit is totally different. And like I say, if they don't win the league by 20 points, then there's something wrong there.